wait to do the Tunnel of Terror at their new location here in Fontana. We are so excited. It is called the Tunnel of Terror IE. We absolutely love their Orange County location, and we are so excited to try out their new location. We hope you enjoyed this video of spooky car wash action. Monsters are out, and Tim's trying to find the radio station here at the Raceway Express Car Wash in Fontana. Woo. So spooky. Oh, look at Miguel's Jr. Oh my gosh, they're going in the car, guys. In the car they go. Did they track the person? No, they just going in the cars. Look who's here. Angel of Death Creations. Woohoo. Nightmarishly clean car. We're ready for a nightmarishly clean car. Oh my. Look at this clown. Look at this clown. Look. I'm gonna whip back at you, clown. Hello, clown. Whoa, Mr. Clown.
You like my new car?
Yes! It's so haunted.
Stole it. I stole all of this.
You stole all of it?
You don't call Ghostbusters for killer clowns. It's just stupid.
Yeah.
Just stupid.
Stupid. Look at you, got cards on you.
You want one?
Oh. I mean, oh. Thank you. Hello. Yeah.
I know what that is. My friend's a little bit crazy.
A little crazy.
Check out our Instagram.
We like a little crazy.
Because I'm crazy.
You're crazy?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Just a little bit? Just a little bit.
Go that way.
Okay. Just look it up. Hello.
What do you want?
I want.
Me too.
How
did you know?
Whoa. You're doomed.
Scary.
No yum yums. No yum yums. No, none of that. No yum yums.
No, you have.
Oh no yum. Oh boy.
Thank you, you too. Okay. We're free from that for now.
For now. Oh boy. It begins.
Oh, there's a fog machine right there. Straight. Put it up.
Roll them up.
Roll him up.
Like waiting, staring.
Oh my God, it's scary. It's scary when you're not looking.
You slid it did. You slid it did.
What is that?
You slid it did.
You like the car and the uniform I stole?
Yes.
They call Ghostbusters. We're killer clowns.
There you be. We just finished experiencing and getting our car cleaned here at the Tunnel of Terror, i.e. the haunted car wash. Oh my goodness! We like Tim said earlier, we look forward to this every year.
Oh, yeah.
It's so spooky.
It's literally one of our favorite. I literally look forward to it every year. It's so much fun.
It's so much fun, and you know, car washes are like a little like creepy on their own, and this with the creepy clown, more creepy, scary clowns, it's awesome. Be sure to check it out this haunt season. There's one here, the brand new one in the IE in Fontana that just opened this year, and then there's also one in Orange County. So be sure to check out the Tunnel of Terror haunted car wash.
We might check out that one too. So
Oh yes, we
hopefully,
will.
Hopefully, we probably will have time. It's too fun. I gotta see them both.
Yes, we love it.
I gotta go again. It's too much fun.
Yes, we absolutely love the Haunted Car Wash. Thank you so much to the Haunted Car Wash for inviting us. And I'd love to give a special shout out to our amazing Patreon supporters, Tom, Cookie Trails, Tucker Time, and
SoCal Fun Seekers.
SoCal Fun Seekers. Yay! Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And we hope you are all having a wonderfully spooky haunt season. See you all soon in the fog. Bye-bye!